Dear 12th class students, I have told you in my previous video question number 1 to question number 5 from exercise 2.2. In this video, I will tell you from question number 6, but first you see some substitution for making in easy form of given inverse trigonometric function. If given function in form a square plus x square, then for making easy form of given function, put x equal a tan theta or a cot theta. If given function in form a square minus x square, then put x equal a sin theta or a cos theta. If given expression x square minus a square, then put x equal a sec theta or a cosec theta. And if given function in form under root a minus x divided by a plus x, divided by under root a plus x, then put x equal a cos 2 theta or a sin 2 theta. If given function in form under root a square plus x square divided by under root a square minus x square, then for making in easy form of given function, put x equal a square cos 2 theta or a square sin 2 theta. These are substitution. If given function in form a square plus x square, a square minus x square, x square minus a square, or under root a minus x divided by under root a plus x, or under root a square plus x square divided by a square minus x square. This is first form, second, third, fourth, and this is fifth part. You learn all of these substitution. Now you see question number 6 from exercise 2.2. Here given inverse trigonometric functions and making easy for them. Given question number 6 and this is exercise 2.2. Tan inverse 1 by under root x square minus 1. Here condition given modulus x greater 1. For making this inverse trigonometric function in easy form, put x equal cosec theta. We get tan inverse 1 by under root cosec square theta minus 1. Since you know that already cosec square theta plus cot square theta equal 1, so cosec square theta minus 1 will be equal to cot square theta. So we may write here tan inverse 1 by under root cot square theta. We get tan inverse 1 by cot theta, and this we may write as tan inverse tan theta. This will be equal to theta, since you know that tan inverse tan theta equal theta. Here if x equal cosec theta, then we will find theta equal cosec inverse x. Now put here value of theta, we may write cosec inverse x, and this is the easy form of this given inverse trigonometric function. So this will be answer. Question number 7. Tan inverse 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x under root means given tan inverse under root 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x, and given condition x greater 0 is less pi, but we will not use this given condition. This is question number 7. Tan inverse under root 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x, x greater 0 is less pi. Since we will find easy form in term x, so we will not use this given condition. Here simplify this function, we may write as tan inverse under root 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Since you know this, that cos theta equal 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by under root 1 plus 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Here you see 1 and 1 cancel, then we may write as tan inverse under root 2 into sin theta by 2. Here square root of sin square theta by 2 will be sin theta by 2 divided by under root 2, here 1 cancel, root 2 cos theta by 2. Here root 2 also cancel. We may write this as tan inverse tan theta by 2, and this will be equal to theta by 2. If theta by 2, here this will be answer. Question number 8. Question number 8 given tan inverse cos x minus sin x. All of these questions very easy. You simplify given inverse trigonometric function, and then you will find easy form of given inverse trigonometric function. Question number 8. Tan inverse cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x given condition x greater minus pi by 4 is less 3 pi by 4। ये फंक्शन जो गिवन है इस कंडीशन में ही एग्जिस्ट होगा, अदरवाइज नॉन एग्जिस्ट होगा। Here you see we may write tan inverse after dividing by cos x in numerator and denominator, we may write 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x, and since you know tan pi by 4 is equal to 1, so here put tan pi by 4 on plus 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus, here you understand 1 into tan x, and then we put on plus 1 tan pi by 4 tan x. Since tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b is equal to tan a minus b, here you understand a equal pi by 4 and b equal x, and then we may write this as tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x, and since tan inverse tan theta equal theta, so we get easy form pi by 4 minus x, and this is answer. Question number 9. Question number 9 given tan inverse xy under root a square minus x square. Given function tan inverse x divided by under root a square minus x square. Here given condition mod of x is less a, we put for making easy form of this inverse trigonometric function x equal a sin theta, we get tan inverse a sin theta divided by under root a square minus a square sin square theta. We may write this tan inverse a sin theta divided by, here take common a square, come here a under root 1 minus sin square theta, and this will be equal to cos square theta, and you see here a cancel, then we get tan inverse sin theta divided by cos theta, and you know sin theta by cos theta equal tan theta, so we get tan inverse tan theta. We get theta, but if we put x equal a sin theta, then we will get theta equal sin inverse x by a. Put here value of theta sin inverse x by a. This is answer. Question number 10 given tan inverse 3a square x Question number 10 given function tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube divided by a cube minus 3ax square. Condition given a is greater 0 and x greater minus pi by 4, given x greater minus a by root 3 and less a by root 3. For making in easy form of this inverse trigonometric function, this given condition is not necessary. Here we put x equal 8 tan theta, and then we get theta equal tan inverse x by a. We may write tan inverse (3a square into a tan theta) minus a cube tan cube theta divided by a cube minus 3a into a square tan square theta simplify this tan inverse 3a cube tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta divided by a cube minus 3a cube tan square theta. Here we take common as a cube, we get 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Here in numerator we take common AQ, we get tan inverse AQ 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by AQ 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Here A cube cancel, tan inverse, you know 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta equal to tan 3 theta. So here we may write tan 3 theta. We get 3 theta and here put the value of theta, we get easy form of given inverse trigonometric function. This will be easy form of this given inverse trigonometric function. Question number 11. Here finding value of given inverse trigonometric functions. Dear students, if you know principal value branch of all inverse trigonometric functions, then all of these questions are very easy. But if you not know, then necessary for you watch my previous videos, then you will understand this video. You see question number 11. वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है। गिवन इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन tan इनवर्स 2 cos2 sin इनवर्स 1/2 for finding value of this inverse trigonometric function, we put sin pi/6 on plus 1/2. Since you know that sin pi/6 equal 1/2, we may write tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse sin pi/6 this we may write as tan inverse 2 cos into 2, here sin inverse sin pi/6 will be equal to pi/6, then 2 3 जा 6, here I write by mistake theta, but write here only cos 2 pi by 6. This will be pi by 3 tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3. Since value of cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2, so we may write tan inverse 2 into 1 by 2. This will be equal to tan inverse 1, and we may write on place 1 tan pi by 4 tan inverse tan pi by 4, and this will be equal to pi by 4. This is answer. This is the value of this given inverse trigonometric function. Question number 12. This question is very easy. You see question number 12. Given cot tan inverse A plus cot inverse A, you can solve this question oral. Since you know that tan inverse A plus cot inverse A be the pi by 2, so here we may write cot pi by 2, and you know value of cot pi by 2 is equal to 0. So answer of this question will be 0. So you see question number 13. Question number 13. Tan 1 by 2, tan 1 by 2 sin inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square divided by 1 plus y square and here given condition modulus x is less 1, but given this condition useless for me. Y is greater 0 and xy is less 1. Xy is less 1. This is given question which making in easy form and then finding value of this function. This is easy question. You see, put x equal tan theta and here came y, so put y equal tan phi, and then we will get theta equal tan inverse x and phi equal tan inverse y. We get tan 1 by 2 sin inverse 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, and here we may write cos inverse 1 minus tan square phi divided by 1 plus tan square phi. Since you know that 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta be the sin 2 theta, and 1 minus tan square phi divided by 1 plus tan square phi will be equal to cos 2 phi. So here we may write tan 1 by 2 sin inverse sin 2 theta plus cos inverse, here we may write cos 2 theta. If you have not learnt identities related trigonometry, so first you learn identities related trigonometry, then you will understand this question. Tan 1 by 2, here we get 2 theta, since sin inverse sin theta equal theta, so here we may write 2 theta plus, here mistake, write phi, since this is 1 minus tan square phi divided by 1 plus tan square phi. So this will be equal to cos 2 phi, and so here we may write 2 phi. We get tan 1 by 2. We take common from here as 2. We get theta plus phi. We get tan theta plus phi we put value of theta and phi from here. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. And now we will use formula here. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. See here, we may write this tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy, and since you know that tan inverse theta is equal to also theta, so we may write here x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. This is answer, and this is the value of this given function. Next, question number 14. Given here, यदि sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x इक्वल 1, तो x का मान ज्ञात कीजिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14। sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal 1. This is the given condition, and finding here value of x, we may write sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal, since you know sin pi by 2 equal 1, so we may write here on plus 1 sin pi by 2. And by comparing both sides, we may write sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal pi by 2. Here we will convert sin inverse in form cos inverse, or cos inverse in form sin inverse. Means we make both inverse trigonometric functions are same, sin inverse or cos inverse. Here, since you know that sin inverse x equal cos inverse under root 1 minus x square, so we may write cos inverse under root 1 minus 1 by 25 plus cos inverse x equal pi by 2. Here we will use formula cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, but first simplify this. Cos inverse 25 minus 1 24 under root 24 divided by under root 25 will be 5 plus cos inverse x equal pi by 2. बच्चों ये पॉसिबल है जल्दी में मैं कहीं cos इनवर्स x बोल रहा हूँ लेकिन cos x लिख दिया, तो इतना समझ सकते हो कहीं यदि ऐसा दिखे तो cos x की जगह cos इनवर्स x होना चाहिए, तो cos इनवर्स x करके सॉल्व करना। Here cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal cos inverse xy. You understand? Under root 24 by 5 equal x and this x equal y. Cos inverse xy under root 24 by 5 into x cos inverse xy minus under root 1 minus x square means 1 minus 24 by 25 into 1 minus y square under root 1 minus x square equal pi by 2. We may write this 24 under root 24 x divided by 5 minus here 25 minus 24 1 by 5 into under root 1 minus x square is equal to cos pi by 2. You know value of cos pi by 2 equal 0. So we may write under root 24x by 5 minus under root 1 minus x square by 5 equal 0, and we get from here, see here, under root 24 x minus under root 1 minus x square equal 0. Here LCM will be 5 and then we find under root 24x minus under root 1 minus x square equal 0. We may write this under root 24x equal under root 1 minus x square. For removing square root, be squaring on both sides. We get 24x square equal 1 minus x square. We get 25x square equal 1 and x square equal 1 by 25. We get value of x equal plus minus 1 by 5. This will be answer. Question number 15. Given condition tan inverse x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 equal pi by 4. Then find value of x. Question number 15. Tan inverse x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 equal pi by 4. This is the given condition, and then finding the value of x. Here we use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. We may write tan inverse x plus y, x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 divided by 1 minus xy, 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus 2 into y, this x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. On simplifying this, we get tan inverse. Here LCM will be x minus 2, x plus 2 here will be x minus 1, x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 2, x plus 2 minus x minus 1, x plus 1 divided by x minus 2, x plus 2. Here x minus 2, x plus 2 will be cancelled, and then we get tan inverse x minus 1, x plus 2. Here right side pi by 4. Here also write pi by 4. Tan inverse x minus 1, x plus 2, multiplying this we get x square plus 2x minus x minus 2. From here we may write x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 divided by x square plus 2x minus 2x minus 4, and here we may write direct x square minus 1 minus x square minus 1 equal pi by 4. We may write tan inverse, see here x square 2x square 2x and minus 2x will be cancelled, minus x plus x also will be cancelled, minus 2 and minus 2 minus 4 divided by here x square, and from here minus x square will be cancelled, and 2x minus 2x also cancel, minus 4, and here plus 1, minus 4 minus minus 1 who will be plus 1, minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 equal pi by 4. Next, see here, we may write 2x square minus 4 divided by minus 3 equal 10 pi by 4, and since you know that value of 10 pi by 4 equal 1, here this minus 3, so we may write 2x square minus 4 divided by minus 3 equal 1. We get 2x square minus 4 equal minus 3, or 2x square equal 1. We get x square equal 1 by 2, and value of x equal plus minus 1 by root 2. This is answer. Question number 16, sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3. वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है। साइन इनवर्स साइन 2 पाई बाई 3। If you know principal value branch of inverse trigonometric functions, then you can solve easily this type questions. See question number 16. Sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3. Sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3. Since you know that principal value branch of sin inverse be the closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So here we convert 2 pi by 3 in closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Sin inverse, since you know that sin pi minus theta equals sin theta, so here we may write sin pi minus 2 pi by 3, and simplify this, we get sin pi by 3, sin pi by 3. You are seeing here pi by 3 is in closed interval minus pi by 2, pi by 2. So this is the principal value, and we get sin inverse sin pi by 3 equal pi by 3. This is answer. Next question number 17, tan inverse tan 3 pi by 4. You solve yourself as question number 16, Question number 18, tan sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. Question number 18. Given tan sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. फॉर फाइंडिंग वैल्यू ऑफ दिस फंक्शन we will convert sin inverse 3 by 5 in tan inverse and cot inverse 3 by 2 in tan inverse. Let sin inverse 3 by 5 equal theta, then we may write sin theta equal 3 by 5, and so cos theta equal under root 1 minus sin square theta 1 minus 9 by 25, and this will be equal to 25 minus 9 16 by 25 under root 4 by 5. We get theta equal cos inverse here cos theta equal 4 by 5. Since we want to convert sin inverse in form tan inverse, so from here and here we may write tan theta. See here, tan theta equal 3 by 5 divided by 4 by 5. We get 3 by 4. Theta equal tan inverse 3 by 4. Put here value of theta, who is sin inverse 3 by 5. We get sin inverse 3 by 5 equal tan inverse 3 by 4. Next, we may write cot inverse 3 by 2 in form tan inverse 2 by 3. So put the value of sin inverse 3 by 5 in given condition. Tan sin inverse 3 by 5, in given function tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 3 here we use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. We may write tan inverse x plus y 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus xy 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. We may write this tan inverse. Here LCM will be 12, 14, 4 3 are 12. So here 3 into 3 will be 9 plus 8 divided by 12 minus 6 by 12. This will be cancelled. We get tan inverse, here given tan, so write tan inverse 17/6. Since tan inverse theta equal theta, so we get value of this function 17/6. Value of this function 17/6. This is answer. Next, remaining questions from this exercise you solve yourself. That's all in this video. All the best.